In WPS on your laptop, after you wrote in the first page the information, name, student number, grade section, title, you highlight everything. Then you either click on this menu here or on the home section. You change the size and the font name. The font name will be either Times New Roman or Calibri. You write C and you'll see options. One of them is Calibri. Then the size of the font, you can make it 20. You click enter. Now how to make this in the middle? You have two options. You either click at home and you click at this one, or right click, align text center. Now how to make this in the middle of the page? An easy option would be to just click in the beginning and keep clicking enter. Press enter once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times until it's almost in the middle. As for adding a new page, all you need to do is the following. Go to insert, go to blank page. You click on it once, that's it. You got a new page. No need to click enter multiple times in here to make a new page. As to doing it on your tablet, you need the WPS application, which is available on the store. After opening it and opening a new document, you write the details, then you highlight the text, all of it, by doing this. After highlighting the text, you click on home, you swipe until you see this option. The font is set to Calibri, which is the correct one. As for the font size, we change it to 20. Now we need to make it in the middle. We go to the right side to alignment center. Now all you need to do is make it go to the middle by clicking enter multiple times. Now how to add a new page? All you need to do is click insert, then you click on blank page, portrait, and here you have a new page.